Ready to give your Capcut videos a voice that captivates? First, head over to ElevenLabs and create an account or log in. If you already have one, you can find a link in the description below. Once you're in, navigate to the speech synthesis section. This is where the magic happens. Type in the text you want your AI voice to speak. Now browse through the available voices and choose the one that best suits your video style and tone. ElevenLabs offers a wide range, from conversational to dramatic. Once you've selected your voice and are happy with your text, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will quickly process your request and create an audio file. Next, download the generated audio file to your computer. Make sure you know where you're saving it, as you'll need it in the next step. Open Capcut and import the downloaded audio file into your project. Simply drag and drop it from your File Explorer into the Media tab. Now, drag the audio file from the Media tab onto your timeline, positioning it where you want the voiceover to begin. Adjust the volume of the voiceover to blend seamlessly with your video. You can also trim the audio file if needed to match specific scenes. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ElevenLabs' incredible AI voices into your Capcut video. This will make your videos more engaging and accessible than ever before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks.